Here's something strange. Imagine you own a house worth $1 million. Most people would think, great, if I need money, I'll just sell it. But surprisingly, many rich people do the exact opposite. Instead of selling their assets and spending the cash, they borrow money. Why would they do that? Here's the thing. Wealthy people often own houses, stocks, and businesses that increase in value over time. Selling them can create a tax bill on the profits. So instead of selling, they borrow against those assets. That gives them access to cash while allowing them to keep ownership of what they already have. Think about it. Let's say you own stock worth $1 million. You need $100,000 for an opportunity or investment. You could sell some shares and potentially pay taxes on the gains. Or you could use the stock as collateral and borrow the money instead. Collateral simply means the stock acts as security for the loan. You get the cash, keep the stock, and avoid triggering a taxable sale. If those assets grow faster than the interest on the loan, they can come out ahead. That's where this strategy starts to become powerful. Imagine a business owner who needs money for a new investment. Instead of selling part of the business, they borrow against it and keep ownership. The business continues growing, the owner keeps control, and the borrowed money helps fund new opportunities. This is why many wealthy people view debt differently. But this isn't magic. If asset values fall or loans become expensive, things can go wrong. The real lesson is simple. Own assets first, spend second. Understanding that difference puts you ahead of most people. I'm Lyra.